Hey guys, this is part 2 of the series for the July graph, and the purpose of this video is to talk about how to not plateau when you're on the snake diet. And I also want to talk about the weight fluctuation between dry fasting, snake juice fasting, and refeeds. And I want to talk about the hydration to dehydration back to hydration experience that I had. So last month I lost a total of 30 pounds in 17 days. That's about 1.78 pounds a day that it comes out to for the 17 days. And I started the dry fasting halfway through, a little bit, like 2 days, like halfway through the month of July. I started on the 18th. I did my first dry fast. Okay, so I want to talk to you about the first thing: extended cardio, long bouts of cardio. Don't do them. If your goal is to lose body fat rapidly on the snake diet, don't do long extended bouts of cardio. Stop it. Do high intensity interval training, because the high intensity interval training ramps up your metabolism hardcore. It keeps and makes you a better processor of the oxygen that you breathe, which means that your metabolism, oxygen fuels fire. So the more oxygen you can process each breath, the better. High intensity interval training forces you to suck wind. And 10 minutes of it, 3 times a week, will ramp your metabolism up through the roof 10 times, as opposed to the endurance cardio. Endurance cardio has its place. It does. But for a snake dieter, for someone who is trying to maximize on the losses with the snake diet, and be a better fat burner at rest, like I'm at rest right now, I'm a better fat burner than I used to be because of the high intensity interval training that I took on instead of the long extended bouts of cardio that you guys saw me doing on my bike. Right, I was riding my bike like an hour and a half one way, an hour and a half on the way back, thinking that I was doing myself a favor when I was building up cortisol. And once I gave up the extended cardio and just took on 10 minutes of high intensity interval training, like with my sprints, it's just been a game changer. I don't plateau anymore. Now, I want to talk about the dehydration, or the hydration to dehydration back to hydration factor. Okay, my dry fast number 1, I started at 266 pounds and dropped to 250. Okay, here I am. Dropped from 266 right here down to 250. Then I hydrated and came up to 266, but I had a couple of days of snake juice fasting before my dry fast, and at my dry fast, at my dry fast number 2, I started at 255. So again, dry fast 1 started at 266. Dry fast 2 started at 255. Then I dropped down to 246. Then I hydrated again and I'm back up. Now here's what August is looking like, right? That's a 16-pound loss on dry fast 1, a 21-pound loss on dry fast 2, and for the third dry fast that I just went through, it was another 21-pound loss, where I went from 258 to 235. And I hydrated after that and came back up to 252. So what I'm saying is that if you do a dry fast, you're going to rehydrate. You got to rehydrate. It's absolutely necessary. And on those days when I break the dry fast and I eat and I drink, I will allow myself regular water. I'll allow myself Crystal Light. I'll allow myself lemonade, but I will make it with just lemon juice concentrate and lime concentrate, and I will put in like a Splenda in there and put it on ice with a little apple cider vinegar in it, and you ain't gaining any fat from that. So all the big spikes in weight, if you notice them, they come right back down. This one jammed up, but it comes right back down, plummets like a rock. So don't worry about the weight you're going to gain back from going from dry fast to refeed to snake juice back down to another dry fast, and then you drop some more. Okay, that's the way the protocol is. Instead of like the straight up long straight fast on snake juice, the dry fast is going to spike you up and spike you down hard, but the spike up is just from the liquid you gain back. Go fill up a gallon jug full of water and put it on a scale. It's 8 pounds. And when you're dehydrated like a mother, you're gonna drink in a gallon and a half to 2 gallons just to feel normal. But as long as it doesn't have sugar, as long as it doesn't have caffeine, you're good to go. And as long as you're staying on the snake diet protocols, you're good to go. So, this video has gone a little bit longer than I wanted to because I just wanted to make it short and sweet. And so, you guys, I love y'all. Thank you for the new subscribers. Hit a like, give me a subscribe, hit notifications. Keep tuning in because this month is the month where I hit my goal, or I damn near die trying. So 205 pounds, here I come. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.